In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this mallet orthosis using this duck splint pattern. So you can see that I have my thermoplastic already heated up, and you are going to place the bottom half of the duck on the middle phalanx dorsally, and then you just wrap the duck bill around the finger, and then you want to make sure that you're positioning the DIP joint in either hyperextension for a regular mallet finger, or if it's a bony mallet, make sure that it's at 0 degrees of DIP extension. You then want to gently press and maintain that pressure on the DIP joint, pulling it back into hyperextension while you form the sides of the splint. You can see that the duck bill kind of wraps around and actually seals to the outside. And you can kind of see that I'm going to need to trim this as well. But you can do that after you've formed the splint. Make sure that you don't push too hard and leave any fingerprints. As you can see, I've fastened a piece of hook velcro and loop velcro onto the splint. You want to trim it back so that the PIP joint is free, and that will allow them to continue to bend the PIP joint so it doesn't get too stiff. And then from the side view, you can kind of see that little swoop or that little swoosh, and that's a good indicator that you have enough DIP extension. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you make the perfect mallet splint.